Now I'm on my laptop here. So this program is called Wealthy Affiliate, and right now we are here inside the members area. First of all, this is me. I'm a premium member and ambassador of Wealthy Affiliate. At the very least, Wealthy Affiliate can offer you 3 things. Number 1, step-by-step training on how to set up your own affiliate marketing business online. Number 2, very simple to use tools to help you set up your own website and run your business. Number 3, a very comprehensive support for you to get help whenever you need. So firstly, this is the training that I was talking about. Online Entrepreneur Certification. Even if you're a complete beginner who knows nothing about affiliate marketing, how to build websites, and how to monetize your website, this step-by-step training has all the information you need to get started. Secondly, these are the tools that I was referring to. Let me quickly show you how easy it is to set up your website within a couple of minutes. This is the website builder in Wealthy Affiliate, and the first step is to choose a domain name, which is the URL of your website. In this case, I'll just use a free subdomain as an example. Let's say I want to call my website jerryhuang123.siterubrics.com, and the title will be Jerry Huang. Next, we'll choose a theme, which is the design or the layout of your website. You don't need to spend a lot of time on choosing your theme because it can be changed later. Now, just click on the button here and your website will be ready in a couple of seconds. And here it is. Let's log in now. This is the blank website which you can start building and designing. This is the Wordpress dashboard of the website, and this is the blank homepage for now. Definitely, there are still a lot of work to be done before you can turn this website into an ATM for you. But I just want to show you that Wealthy Affiliate has one of the most convenient website builders in the industry. Last but not least, let's take a look at the support you can get at Wealthy Affiliate. Firstly, if you have any issue with your website, just head over to the site support here and submit a support ticket. This site support team is available 24/7. The best thing is that you don't have to wait for days or even hours to receive a reply. There are many times where I got their response within minutes. It's really fast. Not only that, as you can see here, there are a lot of ways for you to ask questions and get help. You can ask the community for help by raising a question here. Or you can go straight to the live chat area where there are members helping one another 24/7. It's really active here, like as you can see, it's 7 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago. Or you can even reach out to the owners of Wealthy Affiliate, Kyle and Carson, for help. This will usually take some time for them to reply, so alternatively, you can reach out to the top helpers today. Last but not least, you can also message me privately for help. Just head over to my profile here and you will see a private message button here. As you can see, I'm a very active member in this community and I've personally helped many people. This is the list of my private messages. It goes on and on. I've just shown you the very powerful community which has allowed me to build this kind of income at such a young age. I know, by now you might be asking, how much is this guy trying to sell this program to me? Let's be completely transparent here. I'm not trying to sell anything to you right now. In fact, I just want to invite you to join us in this program for free. There are 2 types of membership in Wealthy Affiliate. Number 1, the free starter membership, which you can get access to by clicking on the button below this video. There's no limited trial period or any credit card information needed. You can access the first 10 lessons in the community for free with 2 free websites included. Number 2, there's a premium membership which costs $49 per month, and you can get access to the entire training, tools, resources, and support from the community. Take note,
Unlike many other programs out there, there's strictly no upsells in Wealthy Affiliate. There's only two types of membership, free starter and premium. That's all. So click on the button below this video and join us as a free startup member. Once again, unlike many other programs, there's no pressure at all for you to upgrade to premium because you don't even need to enter your credit card information and there's no limited trial period. So take a look inside the community yourself and decide whether it is the right program for you like it is for me. Don't forget that I'll be personally inside the community to guide you along the way. So I really look forward to connect with you inside Wealthy Affiliate. So click on the button below this video now and I'll see you in the members area.